Hello friends, today we see the first order homogeneous equation with constant coefficients. So first we have seen what is meant by order and what is meant by homogeneous equation. Order means suppose we say that dy by dx. So it is known as first order equation. And homogeneous means the dependent term, which is the dependent term, if it is present in each and every part of the equation, then it is known as homogeneous equation. Now general first order homogeneous equation we can write like this. Suppose here we say that a1 dy by dx plus a2y equal to 0. So this is one of the simple type of first order homogeneous equation, or this is general example where dy by dx is the first order. The differential equation, differential part, we say that dy by dx it is first order because here we say that the power is 1, so it is known as first order. And second one, here the dependent term y is present, here also the dependent term y is present, and therefore such type of equation it is known as first order homogeneous equation. Now here a1 and a2 are constant, so such type of equation it is known as first order homogeneous equation with constant coefficients. So here constant coefficients are a1 and a2. It should be any constant, it should be any number, so it is known as first order homogeneous equation. Now we can take few examples of it. Suppose instead of a1 here we write 3 dy by dx plus 7y equal to 0. So this is also one type of first order homogeneous equation with constant coefficients. Constant coefficient, here we say that the value of a1 is 3, here we say that the value of a2 is 7. So such type of equation it is known as first order homogeneous equation. Homogeneous means the dependent term y is present in each and every part of the equation. So here is y is present, here also y is present, in this equation also here y present, here y present. So such type of equation it is known as homogeneous equation. And the first order dy by dx, such type of term is present, and the derivative, the power of such type of differential part it is 1, so it is known as first order. Now we can take another example, dy by dx minus 9y equal to 0. So this equation it is also known as first order homogeneous equation. So in this way we can understand if any equation, if it contain the derivative, if it is first power is 1, so it is known as first order, and the dependent term y is present in whole equation, then it is known as homogeneous equation with constant coefficient. Constant coefficient means a1 and a2, these two such, maybe it may be a1, a2, a3, such many constants may be there. So such type of coefficients it is known as constant coefficients. And instead of a and a2 we can write any number, 3, 7, here no number means 1, here it is minus 9. So in this way we can easily understand the first order homogeneous equation. Okay. Hello friends, now we see the second order homogeneous equation. Just like first order homogeneous equation, in this equation also the dependent term is present everywhere, and it is second order because the highest derivative, if it is 2, it is known as second order differential equation. Now we take one example or simple how the form of the equation of second order, a2 d2y by dt square we can take, or dx square, no problem. This y is dependent term, t is independent term, already we have seen it. So a1 dy by dt plus a0y equal to 0. Then such type of equation it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Again, homogeneous equation means in this term also y is present, here also the dependent term y is present, here also the dependent term y is present, and right side 0 is there. So such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous equation. Again here the highest derivative is 2, so it is known as second order homogeneous equation. And it can be write like this. Here if we say that a2, a1 and a0 are constant, then such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation with constant coefficients, where we say that a2, a1 and a0, or a0, a1 and a2 are the constant coefficient, means one type of numbers are constant. So such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Now same equation we can write in terms of numbers, so you can easily understand. So instead of a2 you can write any number, so like this 7 d2y by dt square, plus instead of a1 write any number 4 dy by dt, plus here we write only y equal to 0. So such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Why second order? Because the highest derivative is 2, so it is known as second order homogeneous. Here y is present, it dependent term, here y is present, here also y is present, which is known as dependent term. Therefore such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Now we can take one another example. Suppose here we say that 10 d2x by d2y by dx square plus 6 dy by dx minus 5y equal to 0. So this equation, it is also known as second order homogeneous equation. Why? Because the dependent term y is present here, here and here, therefore it is known as homogeneous, and the power of the highest derivative is 2, so therefore it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Keep in mind that here all right side there is 0. If instead of here, if we say that here it is sin x, like term is present, then this equation, it is not homogeneous, it is non-homogeneous. Why? Because here the dependent term y is not present. If dependent term y is not present, then such type of equation, it is known as second order non-homogeneous differential equation. It is not in our syllabus, but you should know it. So here we take 0, and therefore such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation with constant coefficient. Constant coefficients are 10, 6 and 5. Value of a0 is minus 5, value of a1 is 6, value of a2 is 10. Here value of a0 is 1, here value of a1 is 4, value of a2 is 7. So such type of equation, it is known as second order homogeneous equation. Okay.